Welcome back to school again. Today we have the friendly challenge from the running archer, and he challenged now 3 people for now of how to learn running and shooting. And of course, first of all, he holds the arrows in his bow hand. So I will do that too. Let's go a bit here, so like this. And then step 1, you stand sideways to your target as you know it. You load, you point, you draw and shoot 1 arrow at a time. And you do this until you are comfortable with that. Zack, boom. Stand sideways as you know it. Zack, boom. Zack, boom. So, level 1. Level 2, and this is an interesting aspect, is that you combine your shooting with your left foot. So when you have the bow in the left hand, that you shoot when you stand on your left foot. Let's try. So you load 1 arrow, you make a step forward, and you shoot. This is level 2, I think, or step 2. The moment you're on your foot, you shoot. Interesting. And for now, I think very useful. Later on, I'm not sure anymore. And then he says you simply start walking forward and backwards while you shoot, having, when you release, the left foot on the ground. So let's walk. Backwards again. Walk forward again. Important, have your foot, the left foot, down when you release. I would suggest that you walk first around your target, and always when you have the left in front, you start shooting your arrows in whatever technique you like. Slavic thumb. More arrows, as many as you can hold, and you continue. Only make sure that you're on your left foot. This is what Charlie said is important. And we do it because Charlie said so. Oh, that's in the morning already, huh? Always make sure left foot down on the floor when you shoot. Helps you your structure. Bit faster maybe, huh? Oops! Arrow! Ooh, it's not my preferred. But I have more. And you need to reload them, of course. That's why I think it's not so beneficial. As I don't like to hold arrows on my bow hand, I put them now here, 8 of them, so I don't need to reload. Let's see how it works. Always wait until the left foot is down. Dun, dun, dun. Fun stuff. What of course is important, that you still focus. In the moment you start drawing, you need to focus on a very small spot, because otherwise, as you saw, even my grouping was like horrible. And you always try and keep the same form, unless you're really a pro, and then you can shoot wherever style, but for now you simply stick with it. Now. Yoo-hoo! Don't shoot the camera. No. Yeah. Fun stuff. Good that it's not so hot today, otherwise really Charlie challenging an old man to run. You know, that's why we have the young ones. We always send in the front line archers. The young ones, food for the enemy, and then the good ones come behind them. So I hope you're happy with my success. I look forward for the next instructions and lessons you have, Charlie. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you very much for watching.